Hello everybody, we're back again, and this time I'm actually going to create a server and walk you through the entire server creation process on our new OpenStack Flex platform. So let's get started. To begin, we're going to create a new instance. So to do that, I'm going to click Compute, click Instances, and click Create Instance. From this page, you can see everything you need to know about generating your first instance. As you can see at the very top, when you look at Start from Source, there's images, image snapshots, or bootable volumes. For the simplicity of this video, we're going to start with just our base images, which are regular images that Rackspace provides every customer when they're using our cloud portal. Across the field, you'll see Ubuntu, Windows, Debian, CoreOS, and a lot of others. Choose the image that you need, but for this demo purpose, we're going to go ahead and use Ubuntu 2404. After that, we'll select our flavor, which is going to be a GP022. The flavor types break down very simply. GP, general purpose. 0 is the generation of that flavor itself. 2 is our cores, and 2 is our RAM. And so you always know what type of flavor you're using and how you're using it just based on the name. But as you can see in the UI, we also break it down. So you can see disk, CPU, memory, bandwidth, cost per hour, and the architecture that you'll be deploying. For the sake of this video, we'll be using a GP022 flavor. We're going to go ahead and create a new instance with no system disk. Click Next, select our networks, select our security groups, click Next for our system configuration. We'll add a name. In this case, we'll just call it Test. And then we'll assign our key pair that we created before in one of our earlier videos. From there, you'll be greeted with a confirmation page to go over everything that you have and you've selected in your instance creation process, and then we'll go ahead and hit Confirm. Within a few seconds, your instance will be online, and it'll be represented in the control panel just as soon as it is active. As you can see, the instance is now active. I can click on the details of the instance itself, explore it, and then we can begin putting workloads on it. And that's it. That's the instance creation process on new Rackspace OpenStack Flex.